So you plugged in your iPad and now you're seeing this message saying it's not charging. It might even be charging very slowly, but the message is still there insisting that your iPad is not charging. This usually happens when you're using a low power charger. Could be a phone charger, old USB port, or really anything that's delivering some power to your iPad, but not enough for your iPad to consider it a legitimate charge. Another cause can be the cable itself. Old, cheap, or damaged cables can cause this message to pop up when your iPad is not getting enough power. In some rare cases, the reason could also be that your iPad is too hot, which causes it to slow down charging intentionally to avoid getting even hotter. Also, high usage like gaming or video editing can sometimes consume more power than what your iPad receives, which is also when it might give you that message. Use a good charger, good cable, and you're fine. In my case, I had my iPad plugged into this USB ports that are built into my desk. Once I switched it to a proper power adapter like this, the charging issue went away. Hope that helps. Click the like button if you found this useful and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this.